Sloths are amazing animals. Join us today to go over 10 fun facts about sloths. 1. Sloths are the slowest animals in the world, and they move at such a relaxed pace that you could call them nature's true chill champions. They only travel about 40 yards in a whole day because they move so slowly. Green algae grow on their fur, making them look green and helping them blend in with the leaves and trees in the jungle. This camouflage keeps them hidden from predators like jaguars and eagles. 2. Sloths are experts at living in trees. They rarely come down because the ground is dangerous for them. They are clumsy and have trouble defending themselves from predators. Sloths have long, curved claws that act like hooks, gripping onto branches very tightly. Even when they're asleep, which is most of the day, their claws help them stay safely hanging from tree branches. 3. Sloths sleep a lot, between 15 to 20 hours a day. They need all that rest because they have a slow metabolism, which means their bodies don't burn energy quickly. This makes them tired and sluggish. Since they eat mostly leaves, which don't give them much energy, all that sleeping helps them conserve what little energy they have. 4. Sloths are some of the best upside-down animals. Their bodies are specially designed for hanging from trees. Even their organs, like their heart, liver, and stomach, are arranged so that they work well when upside down. Sloths eat, sleep, and even give birth while hanging this way. Babies cling to their mothers for several months while they grow and learn to live in the treetops. 5. Sloths eat leaves, but did you know that their stomachs are so slow that it can take up to a month to digest a single meal? Their 4-part stomach breaks down leaves very gradually. Because leaves don't have a lot of nutrition, sloths need to eat a lot of them to stay full. And that's part of why they need so much sleep. 6. Surprisingly, sloths are really good swimmers. They move faster in water than they do on land. Sloths use their long arms to paddle through rivers, and they can even hold their breath for up to 40 minutes underwater. This skill helps them swim to safety if their tree floods or they need to find new food sources on the other side of a river. 7. The algae that grow on a sloth's fur not only give them a green color, but also create a forest-like smell. This scent helps sloths blend in perfectly with the trees and stay hidden from predators. Because sloths are so good at staying still, they are almost invisible in the leafy canopy of the rainforest. 8. If you've ever seen a picture of a sloth, you may have noticed that they always look like they're smiling. This is because of the natural shape of their mouths. Even though sloths look friendly and cheerful, they are very shy animals who prefer to stay hidden and avoid too much attention. 9. There are 2 main types of sloths: 2-toed sloths and 3-toed sloths. They get their names from the number of claws on their front feet. 2-toed sloths are usually a bit larger and move a little faster than 3-toed sloths, but both types are still pretty slow. They both use their claws to climb trees and defend themselves if needed. 10. Sloths are herbivores, which means they only eat plants, and they are very picky about the leaves they eat. They love munching on leaves from trees like the cecropia tree, which has leaves that are easy to digest and give sloths some of the nutrients they need. Since their diet is so limited and doesn't give them much energy, sloths have to move slowly and conserve energy to survive. Sloths may seem lazy, but they are perfectly adapted to their way of life in the rainforest.